'Cause we'll be on a tether. Cause we'll be on a tether.
Altaf, Altaf. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Okay. I'm going to send link for Sarah, ya. Hold on. Sarah, let's continue. Hold on. Python. Okay, this one. Or this is for Sarah. And then, oh, there are several. Sarah, I'm going to send you a bunch of link. You choose one of them, okay? Haha. Altaf share screen, jangan lupa. Sarah, let me know which one you choose. I'll wait. It is all about a Python challenge, Sarah. Some works well, some not. You choose which one you like the most. But the first two link is, I think, the best one. Altaf, Kak Cika nyalain dulu Roblox-nya. Altaf mau Roblox, Kak Cika nyalain Roblox-nya dulu ya. Oke, hold on. Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio. Sarah, how's school? I love the story of your WhatsApp story. Your WhatsApp story is interesting. Good pics.
Okay.
Hold on ya, let me check ya. Here. Let me check again your story ya. Where is it? How do I see? How do I see the scene? Oh, okay, like this. Gimana? Oh, you have to go. Not so. Taf, jangan lupa share screen.
Iya.
Ya, nggak ada masalah lagi sama itu kan, Taf? Masalah sama Microsoft apa family bla bla itu nggak masalah lagi?
Masih?
Lagi berantem sama itu sekarang.
Iya, benci banget langsung sama itu.
Pokoknya kalau Altaf tunggu lagi siap-siap itu tuh berantem dulu ya sama Microsoft family ya.
Mm-mm. Walaupun diberantem gimana pun itu kan settingan mama, dan kalau misalnya Altaf lawan mama juga nggak akan menang. Jadi kayak intinya Microsoft itu mama loh.
Tapi itu Microsoft itu teh bayar ya, maksudnya.
Iya, maksudnya ngapain udah bayar tapi kayak ngegangguin pekerjaan juga.
Bener sih, good point. Okay, quote of the day. Why do you have to pay to get life more complicated? Altaf by Altaf ya. Ngakak kayak sumpah. Tunggu. Aduh, Altaf.
Aduh, stres. Tunggu.
Pasti di filter-filter gitu ya masih itunya ya.
Uh,
Oh, gini caranya lihat Sarah. I have to go to there. Oh kan? A camera taking a picture of a camera taking a picture. Terus belakangnya bokeh and the background is bokeh, Sarah. That's good. I like it. Why don't you? Oh, you should post this this photo to Google stock photo or
Nah,
or
loh kan? Ah, Microsoft.
Microsoft or some place for people to see your picture, Sarah. This is good picture. Look at the background. It is good. And the next it was okay. This is your school, right? I like the school. Looks clean. Looks like in the movie. The
Yeah,
movie. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. It's because like because there was nobody was at school.
Yeah, nice picture. It looks like something in the movie, like what's the movie from my time? Yeah, oh yeah, school look like that, neat and clean and very schooly. What is that even a word? Schooly. Altaf berantemnya lama ya, Microsoft udah banyak tuh kayaknya tuh, segala dilarang-larang.
Iya.
Gelut lah. Ini Roblox kacik apa udah nyala nih.
Na 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 na. Ini dia. Kok modern sih sih? Tuh. Kenapa sih harus Hmm, harus buka lagi?
Pak, mana ya? Altaf tuh cancel ada waktu. Oke, lasers. Altaf tuh mau buka yang mana? Yang lasers atau yang
Yang
mana ya?
lasers.
Oke, kalau gitu Kak Cika masuk ke lasers sekarang. I have to turn off this one first, so it won't drain my battery so much. Let me delete this one. Okay. Sarah, let me know which one you are working on. Okay. Taf, kita tuh lagi ngerjain ini ya, spawning ya. Oh iya, spawningnya masalah kemarin ya, Taf. Spawningnya jadi aneh ya, gara-gara. Oh, ntar dulu, cek dulu. Gara-gara filtering, ntar dulu ya. Aduh, lupa gameplay UI, padding, starter pack, starter player, Teams. Nah, Teams ini nih yang bikin Kak Cika bingung. Ada green kan, tapi yang bikin pusing tuh karena kita bikin di atas. Hold on ya. Home, taruh. Home, model, spawn, gameplay, avatar, test. Hold on. Test, view, plugin, script. Mana ya? Yang mana ya? Yang bikin masalah tuh kemarin something about teaming deh, teaming up terus lupa Kak Cika. Workspace dulu, workspace, model, characterization, one way part itu siapa? Players, replicated storage, gameplay, no, utility, server script service, barrier script. Nah ini barrier script. Nah ini dia gara-garanya. Lalu Taf Kak Cika mesti cek dulu di YouTube. Soalnya gara-gara tutorial yang di YouTube itu yang jadi kita masalah spawningnya. Tunggu. Cari history dulu. The history. History. Jumat ya. Tim Barir nih. Kayaknya ini deh. Ntar nonton dulu.
Panas di luar jadi gampang drop. Saatnya jaga daya tubuh. Saatnya Vita. Jurus yang paling hemat tadi. Pakai Gojek.
All right, a barrier that only lets players of a certain team walk through and blocks players on the other teams. Before we start, make sure you have your team set up and also create the part that you want to act as a barrier. In my example, I have a red team and a blue team. My barrier part will only let red team players through. Make sure the can collide is enabled on the part because we still want the part to collide with the players on the other teams in order to block them. The first step is to go to the model tab at the top and
Model tab. Oke, tar dulu. I think I have to move my Roblox to different ini. Nobody is sharing the screen right now. So okay, I will. Yeah, I am working on this right now. So I'm going to check out model, and then advanced collision group. There, collision group editor. All right. How do I see this? Oke, gini aja kali ya. Sini. Apa di mana dong? Sini aja. Ke sini aja deh. Kan bingung nih isinya apa ya? Lalu Tafra jika sambil nonton. Mana?
the collision groups editor in the advanced section. Click the add group button, type in the exact name of one of your teams, and then press enter to confirm. Create a corresponding collision group for each team you have in your game. Select each collision group you have created and uncheck the box with the same name. So for the red collision group, uncheck the checkbox labeled red. This will make it so that parts assigned to the red collision group do not collide with each other. We will use a script to change a player's character collision groups soon. Select your barrier part in the viewport and in the collision groups editor.
Gimana sih? Kan taruh. Kalau misalnya kita tuh mau nge-barrier apa sih? Toh pink sama yellow ya? Berarti kalau pink nggak boleh yellow, kalau yellow nggak boleh pink. Tapi kok gini sih? Oke, itu kali ya, coba di-save dulu.
Select the collision group corresponding to the team that you want to be able to pass through. So for my red barrier, I will select the red collision group. Click the plus button to assign the collision group to the barrier part. Now we need
Collision group. Collision group. I have to find the collision group. Red, pink. Collision groupnya apa? Enggak dong, nggak di situ. Tunggu. Wait, where do I put it ya? Teams-nya. Oh, I know. Where is the barrier? Ini ya barriernya. Coba. Ya pasti blaster kita close dulu aja deh, pusing. Nih, close dulu blasternya. We go to lasers. And then we go to up. Oh, ah, ah, oke. Di mana ya? Barriernya di mana? Mungkin deh barriernya. Tunggu. Oh, ini mah punyanya Altaf. Nah, barrier aku di mana? Perasaan kemarin udah bikin barrier, hilang barriernya.
Akhirnya setelah sekian lama tahun.
Akhirnya. Kak Cika lagi nyari barrier, Kak Cika hilang. Alah, Mak. Kemana
Ah,
ya barrier yang
hilang.
ngebatasin? Iya, apa Kak Cika lupa ngasih nama sih? Perasaan Kak Cika tuh udah kasih nama, jadi dia barriernya. Kehapus nggak ya? Tap. Coba deh Kak Cika pergi dulu ke situ. Kalau nggak salah Kak Cika taruh di depan rumah deh. Rumah yang mana lagi? Kayaknya gini deh. Nah ini. Oke, ada. Oke, ada. Hah? Then I turn to right. Nah, nah ini apa namanya? One way. Wow. Oke, one way wall-nya berarti masuk ke collision group-nya pink kali. Duh, Kak Cika pusing deh. Pink aja ya. Oke, collision group-nya pink ya. Jadi dia nggak boleh, Kak Cika pusing banget antara nggak boleh pink-nya nggak boleh ke orange. Atau pokoknya, taruh. Pokoknya ini si one way wall ini, Kak Cika nggak tahu nih, Taf lagi coba dulu. Nggak tahu orange nggak bisa lewat atau pink nggak bisa lewat. Pokoknya antara mereka berdua ya. Soalnya ini lagi eksperimen dulu. Hold on. Coba ya Kak Cika mau tes dulu. Tapi spawningnya ngaco nggak ya? Alamak, kacau nggak ya? Pink. Lah aku di mana ini? Ah, aku spawning di sini. Aku spawning di dalam. Aku di dalam. Aku tidak bisa keluar. Taf, kenapa ketutup? Alamak, pencet ini. Alamak, nggak bisa keluar saya. Let me out. Aku spawning di sini nggak bisa keluar. I cannot get out. Woi, I need to check my wall. Alamak, hold on. Keluar aja dulu deh. Coba lagi spawningnya di mana. Oke. Let me see. Spawningnya udah benar deh, Taf. Cuman Selalu di pink Kak Cika spawningnya, cuma nggak bisa keluar. Ini gimana sih caranya? Emang nggak kekunci ya? Apa harus ditembak sih? Alamak. Let me out. Oh, spawningnya ada di sini. Kok ada 2 ya spawnernya? Ini spawnernya siapa? Leave. Leave. Why do we have two spawner in there? Hold on, let me check. Pink spawning. Pink spawner di mana? A yellow spawner. Nah. Otak ada di atas. Oh, oke. Oke. Let me check ya. Tadi kan pink spawn, yellow spawn di sini kan. Pink spawn, orange spawn. Oh, orange sama yellow kok tempatnya deket. Catat Aye. Yellow sama orange spawningnya sama. Yellow dan orange is the same. Sarah, let me know the progress. Tak,
Ya,
Alta bisa pindahin nggak? Kak Cika bingung pindahinnya. Jadi si spawningnya yellow sama orange tuh sama. Jejeran gitu, tapi nggak tahu kenapa. Kak Cika selalu spawning di situ lagi aneh. Gimana sih spawning teh? Hold on ya. Bukannya selalu random ya? Enggak. Nonton dulu yang tadi.
Make a script to assign the parts of each player's character model to their team's collision group. So create a new script in server script service. First, we need to detect when a player joins the game by using player added, and we pass in the player object in the function. Then we detect when the player's character model loads in, and we pass in the character object in this function. We'll move through each of the character's descendants and check if it is a base part. A base part is capable of collisions and can have a collision group assigned to it. So if that is the case, then we set that part's collision group to the player's team name. Once again, this is why the collision groups you have made previously have to have the exact same name as your.
Dulu. Ini server script service ya. Server script service itu berarti server script service.
The barrier parts collision groups and the player's collision groups have to match exactly. Make sure to check your capitalization, of course. What if later on the player's team is changed by another script? Well, we can use get property changed signal to detect when the team property of the player changes, and we basically just copy the code above to reassign the collision groups. The character in the for loop definition is not defined here because it's not passed in from an event, so we have to replace it with player.character. Make sure to capitalize the C. Okay, so that's all you need to do. The code is in the description if you need it. Okay, let's see if it works.
Oh, the code
I'm on
is in
red
the
team right now,
description.
so I'm able to pass through. If I set myself to blue team, you can see now I'm being blocked. So that's how you can make a team barrier in Roblox. I hope that.
Gitu ya. Oke. Tunggu. Berarti password dari mana? Oh, let me check. Green, orange, pink, yellow. Oke. Sekarang spawning. green. Yang color nggak ya? Nggak usah. Force field, matte use. Oke, team color. Oke, orange spawn, deep orange. Pink spawn, carnation pink. Yellow, violet. Oke. Nah, ini berarti udah benar kan? Pink, pink, yellow, yellow, pink. CDO, green, orange. Green boleh dihapus dulu nggak sih? Hapus. Orange dihapus dulu aja. Nah, gitu. Default nggak usah ada, boleh nggak? Nggak boleh. Studio, selectable harus ada. Oke, berarti kalau gitu yellow udah bener yellow. Nah, sekarang partnya berarti the part is one way wall ini. Nah, ini kan one way wall ini. Apa gimana tadi?
In my example, I have a red team and a blue team. My barrier part will only let red team players through. Make sure the can collide is enabled on the part because we still want the part to collide with the
Kayak bisa dong berarti. Nah, sekarang kalau misalnya mau
Hey,
mindahin
can I show you something?
something else, Sarah? Okay. Would you like to
Can I show
share?
you something?
Okay, hold on. I'm going to stop sharing. Is it interesting?
No, I just made some changes to this game thingy.
Well, what game? What's this? Oh, develop. I forgot that we are doing this thing, Sarah. Oh yes, we are doing this. I forgot. Oh yeah, we should do this. Just developing. My game is not yet being.
Well,
You have starting button. I forgot, Sarah. Sorry. I totally forgot that we are doing this. I'm
no,
sorry.
I just want to show you what I've done so far.
Oh,
So,
nice. Let me know how to do this. Oh, nice.
so if you, for example, you hit the computer and then you win, right? So you go again, right? And then if you were to die, you die there. You got to spawn there, but I need to fix that. Anyways, but then if you hit
I'm so going to watch again Recast Late today. I don't know why, but I just love Rickroll so much. Oh, cool. How do you connect that to a video, by the way? I have to open my develop, yeah, so my GDevelop, so I can catch up with you. You are so far away. I'm so lagged behind. GDevelop totally forgot because we missed a week not seeing in the class, so yeah, I totally forgot about this. GDevelop. Should I download? Did I download it, or do you use the online versions, Sarah? Let me check.
yeah.
Okay. Why can't I open my account? Yeah. Why why did they don't give me my login to develop online? Ini develop online. This to develop IO. Start creating new link. Look, why can't I log in? I already have one. How to do it from here? Look. An account. Google. Let me give up. Authentication code. Okay. Verifying. Log into my account. I cannot log in, Sarah. What's wrong there? Okay, I'm going to log in with Google probably. Yep, it works with Google. Where is my Sarah? Where is my work? My first project there. There you go. I still have this girl with those apples. I already have these apples. Can I eat the apples? Wait, how to play this? Hold on. I forgot, totally forgot how to this. Save. How do I? Preview. Okay, let me check my game. Eat that. Kan? Oh, I have to collide with them and then update the. Okay, I already got the score. And mine is cannot jump like you, Sarah. But now I'm going to update the score. Thank you, Sarah, for reminding me of this awesome GDevelop on. So I'm going to go to the scene. display authentication. Change the variable score at 1 at action. Kok enggak ya, nggak collision ya? Delete food, change at action. I already did, but it doesn't work. This is weird. Yeah, let's watch tutorial. Event.
Hi there, my name is Helper Wesley, and today I'll be talking about the event sheet in GDevelop. We'll begin with a scene that I've set up and go into the event sheet. From here, we can add an event, and we'll zoom in to make it more readable. So the easiest way to think of the no-code system is to think of if-then. So if this side, the condition side, is true, then this side, the action side, will happen.
Okay.
So I'm going to set up a simple event. I'm going to search for key pressed, and then type in D. And then for an action, I could search for this again, but I can also click on an object, and it will give me a list of things that will only relate to that object. I could search down this list to find the things that I want, but because I know what I want, I'm just going to type in force and select add a force. I'm going to give it a positive power in the X direction and then 0 in the Y direction. And I'm going to leave it at instant because an instant force will only apply while the condition is true, whereas a permanent force will stay with that object permanently. And now when I press preview and hold down the D key, the player object will very slowly move to the right. Back in the event sheet, I can add more events by clicking here, here, or by right-clicking and selecting new event. Now I can drag this event over and turn it into a sub-event of our original event. I'll add the action, rotate, select the player, and give it an angular speed. I'm also going to increase the speed for the apply force event. And now when I press D, the character rotates and moves faster. What's
Nice.
happening is the main event is being checked to see if its conditions are true, and if those conditions are true, then it will move down and check the sub-events. But if we drag this event over and turn it back into a regular event, it has no conditions. So when we preview the game now, the character will be rotating constantly, but still when I press the D key, it'll move over. I can copy and paste existing events rather than just constantly creating new ones, and then I can modify this to make it affect a different object. Realizing that this might be a little hard to see, I'm going to create one final event. I could click on other conditions and manually search for the condition that I need, but since I know what I want already, I'm just going to search for at the beginning of scene, which is a condition that only triggers once at the beginning of the scene. And then I'll add zoom camera and type in 2.
Oh, nice.
You can delete individual actions and conditions by selecting them and pressing delete, as well as entire events. And then you can press Control Z or Control Y to undo or redo anything you've done. You can right-click an event and move it into a group. Groups are useful to help organize your project. Giving these appropriate names is incredibly important. There are a few other things that you can add to your event sheet, like comments, which will help you label your game events to remind you of what each one does. A couple of the more useful event types that you can add are for each object, which is an event that will repeat every frame for every object of that type in the game. So if I have 20 player objects in the game, then it will repeat for all 20 player objects. Another commonly used event type is repeat, which, as the name implies, is one that you can set up to repeat X number of times per frame. And speaking of per frame, the engine reads the event list once per frame. If you go to the project manager, you can see that the game is defaulted to force the game to run between 20 frames per second and 60 frames per second. You can edit those if you need to, but I would generally leave this alone. Let's quickly talk about organization, and I'll show you why it's important after. If we open up one of the starter games that you can use, You can see how nicely set up everything is, with comments and sub-events set up to make sure that it's easy to understand at a glance, rather than having to read every event to see what each
Wow,
one
this is
does.
getting more
But you can further
complicated.
organize your game in groups to group everything together. You can then pick a color for the group header and comments. To show you why organization is so important, I'll open up the events for a game jam game that I made. If you don't organize your events from the beginning, you'll find it getting out of hand really quickly, till you get to the point where it's almost impossible to fix anything in your game because you don't know where the event is. You can use the search bar to try to find it, but sometimes that's just not enough. And now that we have an event complicated enough to show you how this works, I'm going to really quickly go over how the engine checks events. So every frame, the event list is checked, but it checks the event list from top to bottom, checking each condition from top to bottom. And then if that condition is actions will happen
Stop ketika
from top to
pusing.
bottom. And those are the basics of the event system. There are more things to go over, but for now, comment down below and tell us what kind of tutorials you think we should make next. Maybe we'll add them to the pile.
Sarah, we
I
can
have been Helper Wesley, and I'm glad I could help.
Sarah, we can make very cool games with GDevelop. Just watch the tutorial, but I cannot implement it. Repeat for each instance. Harus nggak ya? Add event. Food gitu. Player, behavior, movement, distance, collision. With CG. Okay. I think I have to. I know. Okay. Oh, okay. I will add action, score. Oh, got it. No. So now I'm going to add the score. Kok serotet sih? Satu score plus 1. Hah? Oke. Terus add action. Food, shoot, visibility, hide, atau di hide. Sarah, do you know how to hide or to destroy? Is it better? I want to destroy, but they don't have the destroy features.
Destroy is basically like deleting it or something like that.
Delete or hide. Will hide work? I'm going to try. Okay. Mama. Right. I think I'm going to try with hide. Yeah, hide the food. Okay. Now let's try the game. Okay. Will the apple disappear and will I get score when I oh nice okay it is nice. Okay, so now I have to update the score. Okay, let's close this. Change the variable score, set to 1. Add action, score, show. or update? How to do it? Or redraw? No, hold on. How change the variable score? Add or edit variables. Let's try. Will this work? Okay. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Okay, how about add one? Oke, pada apa sih? Anteng nggak sih? Taruh, let me check ya on like on. Oke. Out of ke sini kecil ke sini ya. Not out of. Out of tuh lagi apa ini? Oke. Ih, kenapa ya skornya nggak mau ya? Tunggu. Oke, preview. Hold on. Wait, Sarah, out of. Kamu buka pintu dulu sebentar. Pergi ke door. Okay, I'm back. Let me fix this. Kenapa skornya nggak mau ya? At the beginning of the scene, show score. Apa sih authentication banner? Kayaknya nggak usah deh. Show score. Oh. Add action. Other action. Variables. Score. Set to 0. Okay. Okay. Change the variable score. Ini ganti ya. Hide food, add action, score. Oh, I probably have to set up. What's this? Oh. Okay, how do I make a variable in here? Score, instance variable, global object. Oh, should I make this global object? Okay. Okay. And then untitled scene.
Aduh, ya ampun.
Apa Taf?
Tadi kan itu karena Altaf tidak ngapa-ngapain, jadi Altaf sambil bikin scratch. Nah,
Hah?
tapi scratchnya Altaf itu susah banget. Yang
Hah,
itu yang Kak Cika bilang, Altaf lagi cobain.
bikin apa? Bikin 2048.
Yang itulah yang apa namanya spinning wheel.
Oh, spinning wheel yang waktu itu. Oke. Kasih
Ini
tahu.
ini muternya masih terus-terusan.
Oh, Kak Cika ada remnya, Taf. Jadi kayak misalnya, coba ya. Jadi misalnya dia pakai timer, makin lama makin lambat.
Altaf teh udah kayak gitu, makin lama makin itu, tapi nggak tahu
Ini nggak
kenapa
stop.
itu. Altaf cek dulu sebentar.
Oke, Kak Cika sambil buka deh. Coba, coba. Bentar ya, mana ya Kak Cika ya? My stuff. Spinning wheel. Oh my God. This is everybody. Spinning wheel Kak Cika kok hilang ya kostum? Hah? My spinning wheel is gone.
Jangan-jangan nggak
Oh.
di save.
Nggak. Kak Cika load from my... Kayaknya waktu itu nggak bisa di save. Coba dari komputer ya. Soalnya waktu itu tuh internet jelek banget, ay. Bentar ya, coba ya. SB3 kan filenya. SB3. Hah? Tunggu dulu. Coba ya, tunggu. Kok hilang ya, Taf? Nah, kecil-kecil. Cari dulu. SB3 di mana ya? Hah? Spinning wheel nih ada. Suka. Di mana sih nih? Di dokumen. Load from my computer. Di documents. Loh, kok di search ada tapi di mana letaknya? Sorry. Let me check. Get info. Di mana sih? Oh, di download. Bukan di download. Ah, suka gila ya. Kind. Oke, kita cari SB3. Coba ya, kecek dulu how to do it. PDF banyak banget. QRSCUVW QRSTU.
Nah, ini mah ngurangin tapi masih maju-maju.
Ataf nge-share-nya layar, bukan yang soft.
Gak bisa nge-share.
Siapa? Lo Kak Cika lagi bete karena nggak ketemu. Sabar tah. Nah, nah, nah. 26 Juli. Ah, ini. This is the latest. Okay. Loading project. Oh, okay. There you go. Ada yang Kak Cika. Oke. Sekarang coba ya Kak Cika run. Hah? Kok nggak jalan? Kok nggak spinning? What? Kok nggak spinning sih? Diapain ya sama Kak Cika ya? Why doesn't work? Coba upload lagi yang SB3.
Berapa menit lagi Kak Cika?
33 sayang, sabar.
Oke.
Spinning wheel 33. Coba 32 ya. Aduh, jadi nggak jalan nih. Result pink. Ih, kenapa nggak bisa ya? Gara-gara alt tab nih jadi nggak jalan. Ada yang
Oh,
file.
aku
Load.
salah apa?
Sedih kali, Kak Cika, sedih kali. Mana sih code-nya? Kok jadi nggak bisa ya? Kenapa ya? Apa salah nge-save ya? Hold on. Spinning wheel 2, coba. Sama aja loh. Coba spinning wheel 1. Nah, nggak ada yang berhasil malahan sekarang. I'm so frustrated. The G develop doesn't work with the score, and now the scratch doesn't work with the spinning wheel. Dua-duanya gak ada yang beres ini nih. Kesel nih. Kesel banget. Mei, Juni, Juli. Juli 1731. Berarti yang ini dong. Set result tuh apa ya? Oh, stop off. Oke. Set result to ini aja dulu. Atau set result to apa ya? To looks aja coba ya. Hold on. Can I just give it a string? Can I just add some string? Oh, nggak bisa ya, toh aneh. Kan dia runnya. Tapi kalau sprite, misalnya forever. Kan dia spinning nih. Stop off. Kan gini ya. Oke. Terus berarti kalau di sprite ini, set result to kosongin dulu aja gitu ya. Pick random, turn. Itu pick random, turn. Pick random, broadcast, check, and wait. Oke, berarti kan kalau udah check, nanti dia dapat receive check. If touching color apa, dan set result. Oke, harusnya udah dong. Tapi nggak muter, Ai. Apa yang salah ya, Tak? Oh, harus diklik. Ya Allah, bodohnya aku. Bodohnya aku, Taf. Yang harus diputer itu, stop ya. Yang harus diputer itu adalah, dia baru jalan tuh kalau Kak Cika klik. Astagfirullahaladzim, save dulu deh. Save now. Jadi Kak Cika tuh dengan blonnya, ngekliknya bendera. Padahal harusnya diklik ininya. Tuh dia muter. Muter tuh jadi pick random ya, Taf. Makin lama angkanya makin kecil, nanti dia lama-lama melambat. Coba ya, hold on ya. Nanti dia berhenti di apa, dia bilang. Resultnya apa gitu. Oke. Pink,
Oh, oke.
biru. Tuh kan blue, you got blue. Oh, nice. This one works. I'm so happy now. Berarti ini udah berhasil sih, Taf. Coding Kak Cika gini lah, Kak Cika kirim ke Taf. Sekarang mau kerjaan di develop dulu. Penasaran, ya Allah. Coba ya kirim ke Altaf di chat ya. Screenshot. Kok ke Sarah sih? Ke semua aja ya. Everyone. Altaf nge-share-nya masih Roblox, I'm going to desktop and then show you my face. Nah, itu kodenya Altaf ketika bikin di situ. Kirim ke chat Altaf juga deh di itu WhatsApp. Ya, Altaf Kak Cika ngasih bilang buat besok tapi linknya nggak Kak Cika kasih. Aneh ya. Suka gitu tahu. WhatsApp-nya suka nge-glitch ya Allah. Oh. Tapi Altaf tahu linknya berarti dari mama ya. Suka gitu aneh. WhatsApp-nya sangat aneh. Mana. Oke. Let me share screen ya. Sekarang mau I'm going to fix my GDevelop. Develop tadi gimana ya? Jadi I put it. I think. Oh, this. Skornya gimana sih? Timers, angle, position, behaviors, font, size. Okay. Let me try again. Please update it. Kok nggak jadi hide? That doesn't work. Kenapa? Atau it has to be not global ya? Coba kalau foodnya lagi. Ih,
Alhamdulillah, akhirnya berhasil.
alhamdulillah berhasil. Kak Cika ngerjain jadi develop jadi nggak jalan. Oh, kesel. Kesel banget. Kesel banget. What is collision with CG? Tadi bisa. Oh, atau harus oh, tunggu. If atau forever ya? Oke, tadi.
Wih, oh, Kak Cika
Kenapa toh?
dapat arken.
Gimana cara?
Ya itu yang itu tiba-tiba dapat aja gitu.
Ih, kok bisa?
Nggak tahu lagi nge-spin tiba-tiba itu.
Cie. Nggak di-share, Altaf mah yang di-share Roblox-nya.
Maaf, nggak bisa. Nggak tahu kenapa nge-lag banget.
Oh, gara-gara itu tuh. Kita nyalahin mic
Crop
aja, oh.
ini crop chop nggak berguna justru.
Ini Kak Cika jadi kesel. Gimana caranya biar nggak jadi global object ya? Ntar dulu. Read folder, move to folder. On scene. Drag. Score. Edit object variables. Oh. Memo. Supply. Oke. Terus berarti Oh, bisa direct sih. Astaga. Enggak from scratch dong. I want this. Cek dulu lah, udah pusing. Coba ya kita tambahin food lagi ya. This is so great. Oh, burger. Let me find some burger. Burger. Mana? Oh, gini sih enggak tidak loaded. Ah, ini aja. Yang mana ya burgernya? Sarah mau burger atau mau sandwich? Sandwich aja deh. Ah, oke. I want sandwich. Oke, add to the scene. Close. Ah, dia harus di scene ya. Oke, sekarang kalau ditaruh gini. Ya Allah, nggak bisa gede. Oke, sekarang kita coba when sandwich collision with CG. Okay. Add action. Sandwich. Hide. Score. Score update. Update variable. Gimana? Change variable value. Score. Set to score +1. Okay. Let's try. Let's eat some apple sandwich. Nothing happens. Oh, I hate this. Nothing happens, Sarah. It used to work, yes. Ah, I forgot. Sandwich. Hide. Kenapa nggak bisa? Kok sandwich nggak bisa di hide? Kenapa? Destroy bisa nggak? Nggak bisa. Wah, aneh sih. Why it is not consistent, Sarah? This is weird. Okay, hi. This is okay. This is supposed to work, yeah. Okay. Well, probably the website is just laggy. Okay, let's eat the sandwich. I cannot eat the apple. Let's eat the sandwich. Enggak juga. Ih, I hate you. Atau di atas. Ah, I hate this. Oh, delete the object aja. Okay. Instead of. Okay, instead of. Oke, got delete-nya bukan sandwich dong. Nggak, salah. Food. Oke, delete food. And then here, I'm going to delete sandwich. Okay, just remove this. Add action. Sandwich. Where? Tadi nemu di mana lagi? Other action ya? Object. Di mana ya? I forgot loh, tadi kok bisa delete food ya?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for delete. Where can I find delete? Create an object.
Just search up delete, man.
Thank you. Sarah, if it's not working, help. It is not working.
Because it's not colliding.
Why?
Because you have to make it
It is colliding.
platform.
What's wrong? Or it has to be yes.
You need to edit the behavior.
Where?
Go back to the scene. Go out of the events or the condition.
Here.
That scene. Yeah. And then like right click on the food.
Here.
No, the food on the screen.
Huh? Here.
Yeah, right. Double click on that. Yeah, and then edit behaviors.
Oh. I have to do it for each one of them.
I'm not sure. I'm not really sure myself. Change it to platform. Add platform.
Platform here. This one.
Yeah.
Seriously, Sarah.
I want to know though. I'm not really sure myself if it'll work. Press apply over there.
Seriously.
And then preview.
Oh. Okay. This is so confusing. Or is it just me being
Really?
Yeah. It is not.
Get it? It's not. Don't do the sandwich that you did. Oh, why is it not working?
Nothing happens.
Wait, what was it working like last time?
I'm going to delete this. How to edit behavior? Oh. Oh. Apanya? Terserahnya. Kagok kalau satu kayaknya. Edit. Oh, I probably have to set the collision mask. Ini udah benar deh. I think we already have. Nggak suka. Kenapa ya? This is unbelievable. Let me try again. Okay, if I cannot do this, then I need to watch a tutorial then. You develop, you really should make this easier. How to like
Like one of the easiest platforms so far.
this. Let me read.
Kak Cika, berapa menit lagi?
4.
Oke. Tadi Altos dapat Arcane 3.
Kok bisa? Seneng banget.
Dikit banget tadi.
Kak Jika lagi ngerjain ini tapi ya Allah nggak ngerti. Apa coba Sarah? Why do we need this physics blah blah? Can we just like
Physics, right? I forgot about that.
run the condition?
That's what
for-
makes like the player not into. You need to put it in the ground, like
Why
needs to be on
can't
the ground, like
wait, hold on. Why can't just it detect the pixel, overlapping pixel or something? Why it has to be separate blah blah and then physics blah blah sih? Nggak ngerti ya. Tunggu, hold on. Points and score. Why should it be platformer, by the way? I don't want it to be platformer.
know what you want it to be.
Okay, I'm going to read this. How do I collision? How do I do when collision is not working?
Goodness.
This is make sure they're on the same collision layer, maybe it's different from scene layers.
It's not in the same layer?
How do we know? How do we check the layers?
Go to GDevelop and then go to the scene.
Here.
And then
I cannot. This is the
but
layer.
then-
This is the base layer. Okay. Oh,
never
yeah.
mind. Go to the scene layer.
We only have one, and then I don't have any other layers, by the way. It's really confusing.
Maybe it shouldn't be global objects.
Or should I? What if I have tried to move everything on global objects? It didn't work, but it
Try-
worked.
Try on scene.
Sorry, what, Sarah?
Try the
Not
all
drag
the
them to the
scenes.
scene object. Bisa nggak ya sekarang? See, I
Get
cannot.
all scene objects.
How?
You move.
I'm going. Hold on. I'm going to. I cannot move what's already in global objects to the scene objects. I don't know why. Or should I be?
Why can't you?
Ah,
Oh. Global objects is basically an object that will be across multiple scenes. But yeah, it doesn't really make a difference.
so. So do you have any idea how to fix this, or what did I miss from here from this? Should get about the objects, the scene and global, or I don't see it is the problem with the layers because we only have one layer, one the scene and then one the back. I don't have the background yet.
Can you check the events thing?
Which one? Here?
Because like the way I make my game is different than your game.
Yeah, mine
Mine-
should be easier, right? Than
Mine has
yours.
six.
Mine should be easier, right, than yours? Do you want to control my screen? I'm going to give it to you.
No,
okay? Oh, okay.
auto. How about last time? Didn't it work like last week or like 2 weeks ago or something?
I made a progress today that I can make the apple disappear when it collide with my character. But it doesn't work anymore now. I don't know why.
What did you change from last time?
The last time it doesn't work, but today I managed to make it happen with the collision and the hiding the food. But then I moved the food to the global object and it stopped working. So I make this sandwich to be the scene objects to see if it works. No, everything doesn't work. I don't know. I just hate the development. Probably the web is glitching. I don't know. Oh no, yeah. Okay, we'll do it next class. I hope you can come next week, Sarah, so we can do it. You haven't show me.
I already did.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Sarah. Taf. Bye, Sarah. See you soon. Today. Oh, Taf.
Ya.
Udah, time's up.
Oh, oke.
Thank you, Taf.
Ya, makasih ya.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam, dadah.
Dadah.